loves. Let's make some thin sliced chicken breast, some mashed potatoes, and corn. And I washed my chicken. Olive oil, boba, paprika, garlic powder, pepper, some mustard. Here we have our chicken. Let's put this in the fridge. Let's peel our potatoes.
You don't get the trash off. That's why.
Say because you're a man, you don't take the trash out. Girls don't take trash out. Oh, I'm not doing canned food. I don't even cook canned food, so. I mean, I will, but I ain't doing it right now. About the dark lighting, it has been raining every single day for the past weeks. I don't even know how long. It's been a while. Something about adding butter while they're cooking makes a lot of a difference. So let this pan get hot. While the pan is heating up, if anybody has any recommendations on things that they want to see me cook, let me know in the comments. Our corn going. No joke, this chicken smells so freaking good. Corn, we're gonna add a big slap of butter. Let this melt in there. Our potatoes, I'm gonna add butter, milk, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And let's smash this all up. And here we have our chicken, mashed potatoes, and corn. Thanks for watching. Stay true to you. Bye.